Today I am reviewing the WonVon, probably mispronouncing that, cordless rivet gun. I mean, cordless, sure, that explains it, but it's battery powered. That's what makes it great, because if you ever use a rivet gun, you know, there's one real pain about it. Cranking and cranking and cranking and cranking, and you have to do like 20 of them or 10 of them in a row, your forearms are just burning. This guy resolves that issue. It's a little bit bigger than your traditional rivet gun, which you get in the hard case. Hard case comes with a phone and 2 clips, so very sturdy. I'm always a fan of that. You get a 120 volt battery, snaps right in, a little status bar on the front of it, so you can be checking where your battery's at. You need to be charging it. It's one of those AC outlet charging devices. Also in the kit, you get these 2 wrenches in case you want to be changing out the sizes of your rivet head. And they give you the spares right on the wrench. So you have a few different alternatives. They thread in, so very good way to keep them organized. They give you a few sample rivets just to get you started. It can go forwards and backwards. I've only been using it forwards myself, but once you do plug it in, you have a little work light in the front too. You hit and boom, boom, it'll rivet right away. It sucks it in, it pulls in the rivet, tightens it, cuts it, and spits it out. Just the ease of it made me smile ear to ear. Because I have had jobs where I've had to be riveting and riveting and riveting, and it's always like the tighter it gets, the more tiresome it gets, and the more you're kind of praying. Like sometimes even if you don't, the tail doesn't rip off. I've had that before. I was with an old one that I had, but either way, having an automated one makes it so much easier. And then afterwards, it just all packs into here. When working with the nozzles and the wrenches, because that's what the wrenches also help you get on here. It can unscrew in a number of different points. You definitely don't want to be unscrewing this part. Ask me how I know. This guy's a little bit stiff, so that's the only thing. I got to figure out how to get this guy off a little better, but I can't imagine that's going to be too much of a problem. Overall, great tool. I don't rivet every day, but when I do, I prefer something I can do quickly, easily, and the client doesn't need to see me struggling and cranking. So if you're looking for a rivet gun, this is a good option in my opinion. Just got to figure out myself how to be changing it out a little bit better. Hopefully you found this helpful. See you on the next one.